If you've ever linked your Steam account to Epic Games and now want to disconnect it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlink your Steam account in Epic Games step by step, so you can do it safely and quickly without getting lost in the settings. This is super useful if you're cleaning up old linked accounts, switching platforms, or just want better control over your Epic Games profile. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech and gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, log into the Epic Games account that has your Steam account linked to it. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, because unlinking from the wrong profile can cause confusion later. If you have multiple accounts, double check the email address before moving forward. After you're signed in, go to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking your profile name or account icon in the top corner of the website. From there, look for the section labeled Account Settings. This is where Epic Games keeps all of your account and connection options, including linked services like Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and other platforms. Once you're inside Account Settings, find and click Linked Accounts. This section shows every external account currently connected to your Epic Games profile. You should see different platforms listed here, and one of them should be Steam if it has already been connected. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right account before making any changes. Now, locate Steam in the linked accounts list. When you find it, look for the Unlink option next to it. Click Unlink, and Epic Games will begin the process of disconnecting your Steam account from your Epic Games account. Depending on the account setup, you may be asked to confirm your choice before the unlink is completed. If a confirmation window appears, review it carefully and proceed only if you're sure you want to remove the connection. After that, the Steam account should no longer be linked to Epic Games. At this point, the main process is complete. You can refresh the page or go back into linked accounts if you want to verify that Steam is no longer listed. That's a good way to make sure the change went through successfully. If you plan to reconnect Steam later, just keep in mind that some games, purchases, or account-related progress may behave differently depending on how Epic and Steam were previously connected. So before unlinking, it's always smart to think about any game data or access you may need in the future. If you're only trying to clean up your account, this simple unlink process is usually all you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to unlink your Steam account in Epic Games. It only takes a few steps, but doing it carefully makes sure you don't run into account issues later. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.